Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a gorgeous unit that we just got on the ground. This is a 2018 CargoPro Stealth 8.5 by 24 all aluminum trailer. This unit is in a two-tone exterior, so you've got the silver front with the black back. It is smooth skin, so you guys can see it's really pretty in person. It's very clean looking without having any of the screws or rivets in it. It's very high quality looking. This one also has the Blackout Pockets. You can see you guys got the black diamond plate rock guard there on the bottom and the black corners and the rounded black cap on the front. This one also has a heavy duty extended triple tube tongue. So again, it's an all aluminum trailer, which is going to give you guys an aluminum frame as well. And the benefits of that is weight savings. So this 24-foot trailer only weighs 2,910 pounds, which is pretty amazing. Your steel trailers are going to weigh at least 1,000 pounds, if not 2,000 pounds more. So if you guys have a Class A motorhome or you're very weight conscious, these are excellent units just simply because you can really cut that weight down. Plus they also come with a 5-year factory warranty, which is a bonus as well. So this extended triple tube tongue again is going to give you guys a better turning radius because we're going to push that trailer back away from your vehicle and allow you guys to be able to turn a little bit tighter. So nice feature there with having the extended tongues. This one is stock number 14630. Now another thing I love about these stealth trailers is they're extremely versatile. They give you guys a lot of different uses and how you can use these trailers, and just because of how they're set up. This one does have the premium side escape door. This is an amazing feature. If you're gonna have an escape door in a trailer, this is a great way to go. You guys can see it folds up like a big awning door right there, and it has a removable interior fender. So what this does, by removing this interior fender for you guys, is it allows you to have some extra width in the trailer. So if you guys are Jeepers and have buggies like we do here, we love these trailers because it gives you guys that extra width to fit in between the trailer. So normally, let me come around this side and give you guys a better shot here. And then we'll keep going around the trailer. Sorry. Normally, when you guys have two fenders, you've got to be able to fit your vehicle between these two fenders. But by removing this, if you guys do have a big vehicle, you can simply drive over these tires and wheels and have that extra width. This is also an awesome trailer for cars because you guys can see normally you can pull your car in here and be able to swing your car door out through this opening and be able to get in and out of your car. Now, if you have a low profile car and you're not going to clear that size of a fender, you no longer have to worry about that because now all you have to clear is simply these tires. So awesome feature. Again, I love the versatility, and they make it super simple and easy to use. This fender I picked up literally with one arm, and there's two screws. You pop in the screws and bam, your fender's back in. So really amazing and easy to use, and gives you guys a lot of different options for this trailer. Now this one is equipped with a 7'6" interior height, so you do have some extra interior height as well. You're gonna have about a 7'3" rear door opening with this unit, so again, great for taller vehicles. I'm gonna back up just a little bit here. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, and another thing I love about these CargoPro Stealths is how easy they are to use. I can literally open this rear ramp door with one arm. It's got an amazing spring on it, and that's pretty astounding, honestly, to say with a big 24-foot trailer, especially with having this transition flap at the end that usually adds a lot of weight and they're heavier. So they do an excellent job with their tension on their rear door springs and how easy they are to open and close. So again, there's your rear ramp door. You've got this transition flap. That's going to be great for low profile vehicles as well, or just pretty much any vehicle you're pulling in and out of here, because it just makes that transition into the trailer really nice and smooth. And then you've also got the 3-inch dovetail here at the rear, so you've just got a nice easy angle coming in and out of this unit. 4 D-rings, you've got 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front, so set up perfectly for a car. You guys can also throw toys in here, razors, UTVs, dirt bikes, or whatever, and just add some D-rings or E-track there. You do have side vents, so you've got one here at the back, another one up at that front corner, which is going to give you guys a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is really nice if you guys have things in here that have gas, i.e. cars, toys, that sort of thing. Now you've got a toggle switch right here. This is going to work your load lights here at the rear. So you've got this really cool rear canopy with these 3 LED load lights. Great feature. You can drop this ramp door, flip that toggle switch on, and immediately have load light at night. Vinyl wall liner in this unit. You do have a one-piece aluminum roof, all 16-inch on center as well. We've got a couple of overhead lights. And then of course we've got our Nudo floor with Drymax. This is one of the best performing floors we can stick in a trailer as far as durability, and then underneath this floor does have the DryMax product. DryMax does not absorb the water or moisture like your standard plywood will. So for longevity purposes, much better to have underneath your trailer. Backside of this door does have the RV lock and a cam bar, but you guys can see this RV lock gives you guys a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So great feature there. We also have a nice toggle switch here for your interior lights, 2 more of your D-rings. Does have the nice diamond plate trim around it as well, which I think looks really nice. And I'm gonna just take a pan outside, show you guys a couple more features outside here. There's one of your side vents. You do have stabilizer jacks underneath the back as well. I wanted to give you guys a good shot with this rear canopy. These trailers look amazing. This one's also set up with the optimal towing package. You do have two 5,200 pound torsion spread axles with this unit. So it looks super cool because it gives you guys that skirting on the trailer, which looks amazing, but it's also extremely functional. So you've got the 5,200 pound torsions, which is going to give you guys basically independent suspension underneath the trailer with having those torsion axles. But then by taking them and spreading them apart like this, it also can cut down on wagging and swaying on your trailer when you're towing. So again, optimal setup in the trailer world. You also have, of course, radial tires and aluminum wheels with this unit as well. And we have an amazing sale happening right now on our Stealth trailers through July 31st, 2018. $1,000 off any new in-stock Stealth trailer. So great savings as well for you guys. We do have, I don't know, 10 or 12 of them on the ground in different sizes right now. And if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, ColoradoTrailersInc.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.